Welcome to the cutting edge of timber technology, where monstrous machines process firewood at lightning speed. And the chainsaws? They're absolute monsters. Prepare to be amazed. This is not your grandpa's wood cutting. You're clearing land, and you have a ton of massive logs. This SS524 is designed for those big jobs. It attaches right to a skid steer, which means it's not just a splitter. It's a mobile wood processing unit, and it's got a 36-inch stroke. Picture turning those giant logs into manageable firewood with ease. This splitter isn't just about muscle. It's about transforming a daunting task into something quick. How cool is that? Let me introduce you to the Ryobi 40-volt brushless kinetic log splitter, model number RY40740. This beauty packs a massive 12 tons of splitting power, but that's not all. It's a speed demon. How fast, you ask? 10 times faster than your typical hydraulic splitter, with an incredible 2-second cycle time. Can you imagine how much time you'll save? Get this. Ever wondered how we get our wood without wrecking the planet? Enter the Ponce Ergo and H7 harvesting head. I'm here to show you how this bad boy tackles two major issues: efficiency and eco-friendliness. First off, the Ergo. It's built like a tank, but moves like a ninja. Seriously, it's impressive. And the H7? It's like the Edward Scissorhands of logging, precise and quick. Are you guys seeing this? This setup minimizes waste and maximizes yield, which is awesome, right? In logging, time is money, and breakdowns? They're money down the drain. You need a truck that's reliable, that can handle heavy loads in tough terrains without breaking a sweat. That's where the Mack R600 comes into play. It's known for its durability and powerful performance, ensuring those logs get to their destination efficiently and safely. No more worrying about rough terrains or heavy loads. You can almost feel the struggle, the wood spinning relentlessly, only to be caught firmly under the cone. They've intervened and fixed the issue, yet that stubborn wood still insists on spinning. They're stumped. Anyone got a bright idea? Think you're up against a monster task that's basically a tree the size of a skyscraper? Relax. We've got a plan. Enlist your pal in their ridiculous tractor, make a few well-placed cuts, and wham! Timber. See? Smart people always find a way.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh!
When it comes to tree removal, always consult a certified arborist. Your safety and the safety of your property depend on it. You're out there, wrestling with a massive stump and it's taking forever, right? That's where the ransom shark tooth comes in. This thing is a beast, in the best possible way. It's like having a secret weapon for land clearing. This American-made marvel slices through stumps like butter. I was amazed when I first saw it in action. It's kind of fascinating how it works, honestly. This tool not only splits the stump, but also helps in harvesting, all while keeping the surrounding area neat. It's a whole new ballgame in land clearing. This machine will revolutionize the way you work. Meet the Georgia Brush, a compact powerhouse that will leave you speechless. It chews through trees like a beast and makes mulching effortless. If land management is your game, this is the tool you can't afford to miss. Looks like someone didn't realize how powerful trees can be.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Minimalist design, maximum efficiency, powerful. It's genius, pure and simple. Best wood splitter I've seen. Period. Imagine this, a round log, rustic and untouched. Our journey begins here, but have you ever wondered how it becomes part of your home or a beloved piece of furniture? It's all thanks to the process of cutting round timber. In this adventure, special machines like band saws or circular saws slice the log into various shapes and sizes. It's fascinating. See that huge Nissan? Now, guess who's driving it? A Japanese girl, and she's no taller than 5 feet. How crazy is that? The sight of a small girl handling a massive monster like that. Don't you agree it's inspiring? No way, no how. I wouldn't do that for any amount of money. More power to those who are up for it, though. This Hartnett petrol log saw is a game changer. We're talking about a robust 13 horsepower engine coupled with a 700mm blade. Now, to the untrained eye, this might seem like any other saw. However, safety is paramount here. The blade is completely encased, drastically reducing the risk of accidents. It's a testament to how engineering can marry power with safety. This level of efficiency and safety is rarely seen. I've seen my fair share of innovative tools, but this homemade log splitter is a standout. It leverages an RCD-250 gearbox with a 1:25 gear ratio, coupled with a robust 7.5 horsepower gasoline engine. This combination ensures powerful, efficient splitting while maintaining safety. Its cost-effective, user-friendly design makes it ideal for households. This is engineering at its finest, folks, blending efficiency, safety, and affordability. Heavy hauling isn't just about big trucks. It's about masterful skill and knowing your rig inside and out. These drivers make it look easy, but it takes years of experience to handle those loads safely. Okay, everyone, let's meet the Schepzer, the mobile debarker all the way from Germany. Take a look at this dinosaur-like machine in action. Swift and efficient, stripping away bark without any fuss. You'll be amazed by how it handles logs with ease. And trust me, if you're in the lumber industry, this is the machine you need by your side. No need for a lengthy explanation. Once you see it, you'll get it. Looking at the Petzolato PTH1200N/1000M. This is not your average wood chipper. This is a beast on tracks, powered by a monstrous 796 horsepower Volvo engine. What sets this unit apart is the design. Petzolato has gone with a direct drive system. No power-sapping crane or hydraulic fan. All the horses go straight to the massive, radio-controlled drum, giving it consistent output. This, my folks, is the future of wood chipping, and it's awesome. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. This cottonwood may look kinda scrawny, but man, it's got a 4.3-foot diameter. That's one heck of a tree. Bringing it down, you're gonna need a real lumberjack with some serious skills. But no worries, even this big old boy's coming down. Check it out. It's the Steel 090G, the old champ, against the McCulloch 797G, a brand new beast. These two are gonna rip through some wood. Who you got your money on? The legend or the rookie? This CID forestry disc mulcher is a game changer for clearing land and managing your forest. It's a beast that chews through stuff up to 4 inches thick, no problem, and takes down trees up to 8 inches thick like it's nothing. Built tough with replaceable teeth and a powerful engine, this machine can handle anything you throw at it. I bet you're thinking, whoa, cutting down trees is seriously dangerous. And yeah, you'd be right. It's no joke. Getting rid of a tough stump? You need a real pro on that excavator. First, they'll dig around it smart-like so you can see those roots. Then, bam! They use that machine's muscle to chop the big roots right off. No roots, no holding that stump down. Up and out it comes. Sure, it takes a little time, but even the toughest stumps don't stand a chance against this. Wow, that's impressive. I'll give you that. Dragging those huge logs with the Torpedo 9006 is definitely something else. But at the end of the day, I'm more concerned with efficiency and longevity. Pushing a machine that hard can't be good for it in the long run. Ever wondered how they wrestled giants in the heart of British Columbia? This video's got the answer. It's like a tremendous showdown between man and nature, where a little jack proves size doesn't matter.
Come on, your time is at an end, old friend. Might giving it the finishing push. That did the trick.
Get my picture on that.
The John Deere 6603 demonstrates exceptional performance in this video, navigating challenging terrain and providing critical assistance to timber trucks. The operator's control is noteworthy, showcasing the machine's maneuverability and power. A true demonstration of what can be achieved when skill meets engineering excellence. Witness the raw power and precision of this 48-inch saw blade as it effortlessly slices through a massive red oak trunk. The cut is remarkably smooth and clean, leaving the beautiful wood grain virtually untouched. This is what happens when the right tool meets the perfect material. Hold on to your hats, folks. This vintage Caterpillar D2 is about to blow your mind. That rumble? It's not just an engine, it's a time machine roaring back to the golden age of heavy machinery. And watch out for those tree stumps. They don't stand a chance against this beast. I can't believe they're maneuvering those massive trucks on those narrow mountain roads. It's like a heart-stopping action movie, but it's real life. Talk about some serious driving skills. Yeah, that 980H is a beast. I've seen those things move mountains of timber. They're built to last and can handle just about anything you throw at them. But you gotta respect the operator too. It takes skill to handle a machine like that. They make it look easy, but it's not.
Run about 160. You're looking at 4 tires on the truck alone.
So the bank requires about $4,000 a month in payments, stay in fuel, so they're not cheap to run.
With the right leverage, you can amplify your force and make the impossible possible. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Massive pines, towering tens of feet when ravaged by fire, suffer significant structural weakening in their root systems and trunks. This renders them susceptible to collapse during high winds or heavy precipitation. A thorough assessment and removal of these fire-compromised trees, while ecologically and aesthetically regrettable, become imperative for safety. San Rosendo, a charming town in southern Chile, plays a pivotal role in the region's forestry industry. This small but bustling community serves as a crucial transportation hub where several important roads converge. Its strategic location makes San Rosendo a vital link in the forestry supply chain, facilitating the movement of timber and related products. Even amidst the brutal Siberian winter, the timber industry in Tomsk's Pervomaysky district hums with activity. Logging trucks, laden with freshly felled timber, brave the snow and ice, ready to conquer the treacherous roads. I've seen some rough roads in my time, but this one takes the cake. Let's see if this Ural logging truck has what it takes to make it through. I've seen a lot of chippers in my day, but this Bandit 2550T is something else. With a 49 horsepower Kohler engine, it's got the power to handle anything you throw at it. Sure, $34,950 is a lot of money, but for serious professionals who demand the best, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come. So, what did you think? Were you blown away by the sheer size and capability of these machines? If you were, give this video a thumbs up and tell us which machine impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more adrenaline-fueled adventures.